Confused about when to use do, does, and did? Don't worry. In this video, we'll break down these tricky words with simple rules and examples. Let's get started. Do, does, and did are key helping verbs in English grammar, but they're often misunderstood. Let's explore how these words work, their rules, and where to use them with examples. Do and does are used in the present tense. Use do with I, you, we, and they. Example, I do my homework every day. Use does with he, she, and it. Example, she does her homework every day. Did is used for all subjects in the past tense. Example, I did my homework yesterday. It replaces both do and does when talking about past actions. In negative sentences, add not after do, does, or did. Present, I do not, don't, like coffee. Present, he does not, doesn't, like coffee. Past, she did not, didn't, like coffee. Use do, does, or did at the beginning of a question. Present, do you like coffee? Present, does she like coffee? Past, did they like coffee? Let's test your understanding. Dash. You finish your homework? She. Dash. Not like pizza. They. Dash. Enjoy the party yesterday. Now you know the rules for do, does, and did. Practice these examples daily, and you'll master them in no time. Found this helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy grammar tips. Let me know your questions in the comments.